Sometimes people go, wait, I feel worse eating vegetables. Maybe I was better off eating burgers, right? So faulty logic, faulty conclusions. But why would you work so hard to eat so healthy just to feel worse? Do you want to know how long most people usually last when they try to hyper-nourish themselves with raw foods on their own? 2 weeks. 2 weeks. Why is that? There's a few reasons why. Most people are thinking in their mind when they've been doing something for 2 weeks and they don't feel better yet, maybe this isn't working, maybe this isn't for me, and they quit. This is why I've been doing this for a while. I've been spending the past decade reversing diseases in people, especially doing it with them every day in my rapid recovery programs. And what I see every time is the 2-week mark. There's a couple things that happen. One, they're often still in the detox phase. The detox phase is when you are nourishing yourself so well that your body starts releasing toxins from all the old stuff you used to do. So even though you're eating the healthiest you've ever been, tons of leafy greens and cruciferous vegetables and omega-3s, that even though you're eating the best you ever have, you feel terrible. You feel like you have the flu. You're achy, you're exhausted, you've got brain fog. And so sometimes people go, wait, I feel worse eating vegetables. Maybe I was better off eating burgers, right? So faulty logic, faulty conclusions. But why would you work so hard to eat so healthy just to feel worse? So that's one thing that happens. The other thing that happens that people usually don't expect is that cravings get worse at about the 14 to 18 day mark. So they're thinking, okay, I've been doing this for 2 weeks and I'm really craving lasagna, burgers, whatever it is that you're looking for. And so here you are, you're 2 weeks in to eating the most strict, hardest diet you've ever done. And you feel like you have the flu and your cravings are out of control. And usually that's the point when people don't have the right support that they quit and go back to doing something else that wasn't working for them to begin with. So what do? You need to realize that the 2-week mark is actually not when you should be expecting results yet, but when it actually intensifies. So you need to make sure that you have your self-care in place so that you can have other things to distract you from your plate. You are eating to heal. This is a clinical diet. You're not eating for fun and excitement. So fun and excitement need to be your project. Go out into the world and do things that are fun and exciting. Listen to live music. Go to a comedy show. Call your friend that makes you laugh till your cheeks hurt. Exercise. Do things that make you feel good because you're going to need that kind of support in your life emotionally to get through those first 2 weeks. Now, if you're struggling to do this on your own and every time you try to do this, you end up failing, you might need more support. That's why I created my rapid recovery programs, like my 6-week rapid recovery group, is because I know that a lot of people fail within the first couple weeks and then they don't get their health back. And so in the rapid recovery group, I'm there every day with my husband, Thomas Tadlock, who helped create this protocol. We're there every day to help people, one, get the nutrition right, because that's essential. You know, the person I was just talking to, he thought he had it right, but he wasn't drinking enough water. He's not going to get over detox if he's not drinking enough water. So one, we make sure everyone's getting the nutrition right. Two, we make sure people understand how to do the right self-care, exercise, get over their thoughts and their habits and other things that hold them back so that they can get through not just the 2-week mark, but get all the way to the finish line to feel the best they've ever felt. Because the brain that got you into this mess of being sick is usually not the same brain that's going to get you out of it. It's going to try to keep you where you are. So you need new brains on the case. My husband and I, our brains are programmed for extreme health and vitality and happiness. And that's what we teach people how to do. So if you're really struggling to do this on your own, I really suggest you get the support. We always have 6-week rapid recovery groups that are running. We have one that's going right now, another one that's starting in a few weeks. If you go to goodbyelupus.com and you click on Work with Dr. G, you'll see other ways you can get support. Don't stop yourself from getting the health you want. You got to keep pushing, keep taking great care of yourself, and your body will ultimately thank you for it. I hope that helps you.